Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through AI and research. And basically we are going to look at how AI can be able to how you can incorporate AI in each and everything you do, because right now we're in an era of technology. So before I take you through that, we are going to first know the different AIs. Artificial intelligence. First of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is basically that's AI, and it's basically how computers, programs that are designed that are able to function like human beings. Yes, they can do certain tasks. They can collect information all over and be able to give it to you. So some of the applications, AI tools that are available for use. We have these basic ones that you can use daily. These personal assistants that we see everywhere on your gadgets. We have Bixby, that's for Samsung applications. Then we have Siri, that's for iPhone users. And we have there are very many assistants. Like on Microsoft, we have Copilot. This over here, that's Copilot, and once you go in there, it's also an assistant in Microsoft. Literally, you find that most new applications that are being formed, they have that option of AI. We also have Gemini, that's made by Google. Then you have the Google Assistant, that's on those other old versions of Google of phones. Mainly, we are going to focus on these applications that you can use for research. We have ChatGPT, we have DeepSeek, and many more others. There are so many that I can't list all of them, but you need to look for good ones. So for today, we are going to basically be using ChatGPT as our reference. We are going to use ChatGPT. So, what's the use of AI? Let's even ask this AI, because it will tell us what is AI and its significance. So, as you can see, it's a branch of computer science that deals with creating systems, machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. There's learning, reasoning, problem solving, decision making, understanding a language. And by the way, did you know that you can always if you're facing challenges with your assignments, you can always punch them in. These simple ones, you can upload a picture. For example, you just need to go to that plus button where you can add a file, add a photo. You can take a screenshot, then send it. You'll be like, solve this question, and trust me, it will solve it for you very, very well. So I have this telling us there are different types of AIs. There's general, a strong one. There's narrow. There's super intelligent, and there are more other AI tools which are way deeper and that do deep research and compare. For those doing research papers, there are those tools that can be able to help you with your research work without too much of a hassle, because they compare to what is available and what you're trying. What new thing are you bringing? Are you repeating what someone else did? Or so it's very super helpful. So it can be used in those fields, as you can see. Transport, you know that these days the cars can be driven. You can drive your car when you're not doing anything, just commanding it. AI. Everyday life, we know those assistants we just talked about. Education, science and research, communication, climate. We can be able to predict the weather using AI. And so we're going to look at one basic any basic thing that you can use. So AI, it's able to recognize and put something to memory. For example, if it's your first time opening an AI application, you may go ahead and ask it, who are you? Who am I? Like, you're asking it, but may not be able to know because you haven't shared with it. You need to treat it like another person, no? Another person. Yes? So it's able to put something to memory and can be able to keep that in memory and can even be able to derive a plan for you and the different things. For example, one of the my experiences with AI in the beginning, I was always not so optimistic about it, but later I realized it's actually a lifesaver. So we're going to look at one of the things we can use for AI, and that is another feature which is called deep research. So here, deep research, once you give it a question, it's going to take some time to collect deep information about what you need and to be able to display it to you. You don't need to hustle while beating deadlines. I got you. Of course, you have to keep in mind that you don't have to paste and copy. You need to change a few things so that again, it can be dangerous if you use it the wrong way, looking at the bigger picture. So imagine I want to make a presentation about road accidents, but I don't know how to start. Let's just tell it. Can't even first greet it. I want to make a PowerPoint presentation. Presentation on road accidents with at least 4 slides. May you now you see that it's giving me what I should put on the slide, but I don't want to hustle pasting. I want it to do it for me. So may you help me just make the presentation, make the presentation and send it to me. Still analyzing. So normally when you give it tasks that require deep analysis, heuristics, as you can see, it has already got to me what I want. Let's go check it out. Let's go check out that presentation. I want it on my desktop. I want to save it. Now let's go check out our presentation. Let's see what AI has created for us. You get it? Guess what? I didn't even tell it my name. Why? Because I've been interacting with it on very many occasions and it has gotten to know my name. Yes? So that's why my name is there. And as you can see, it has created it, but it's not okay, right? It's a bit like some images, colors. So what do? We're going to go back to our AI and good thing that I'd also suggested, would like me to add images or icons to make it more visual appear. Just say yes. Perfect. Yeah, it keeps asking you, just needs your confirmation because it only works on instructions. That's why it's taking long. So it's there making the slides. So you can use AI to survive. You can use it to survive. You have a huge bulk of notes that you feel like you don't have enough time to go through them. What do? Go to this button, upload the file, and after uploading the file, it will be able to analyze it for you, and it will be able to give you a summary of that file. So meanwhile, the connection problems, please try again. Okay, network is being a problem, but yeah, we have seen some of the uses of AI. So you can use it to survive. It can help you with anything, and in case if you're surviving and you're using the free ones, they usually have limitations, and once these limitations are you do your limit, like you finish your daily limit, you need to wait for tomorrow. What does that mean? It means you need to interact with more AI tools, so that once this one you feel like once you have used all the free options, you go to another one, survival. Yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like, comment on these videos. Thank you so much.